So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a bootable USB by using command prompt to create a partition to the USB and then format it by using FS32 and use Rufus software to make the USB bootable. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So you like to use a command prompt and run it as the administrator. So you can still be running the command prompt as the administrator right here. So you select run as administrator. So once you run command prompt as the administrator, you'll be seeing something like this on the screen. Good. So first thing first, this is a USB drive that we're gonna be formatting and make it bootable. So first thing you want to type, you want to go to this part, join word, this part. Alright, there we go. We're in this part now, and then you want to type list disk to know exactly what type of disk that you want to format. So in this case, we'll be formatting disk 1 as the USB drive that we'll be formatting. So we're gonna type select disk 1. Alright, so we just say this one is now the selected disk, so we want to clean disk 1. So we type clean, and they say disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk, so this one is now clean. So when we want to create a partition, so we're going to type create partition primary, right, and hit the enter button. So now this part does it in creating the partition, in creating the specified partition. So the next we want to type is to select partition 1. So you type select partition 1. Partition 1 is what we're going to be selecting, and then format. So partition 1, hit enter. So partition 1 is now the selected partition. You can see partition 1 is now a selected partition, and then we want to type in format. So we're going to be formatting the partition. When I type, we're going to be formatting the partition. Format fs equal sign FAT32 quick. So type format FAT32 fs was equal sign FAT32 quick to format it quick. So wait for it to count down, go to 100, count up to 100%. Okay, it said disk successfully formatted the volume. So first we want to make the flash drive active. Type in active. Alright, so there we go. They said disk mark the current partition as active. So we want to assign our drive letter in our USB. Assign letter. So you want to assign a letter. Assign letter equal sign. Let's assign it as letter G. Alright, let's assign the letter G. Let's assign the letter G. right, and then you hit the enter button. So this process will assign the drive letter or mount point. So it's been assigned already, and then that's it. We're gonna exit this environment. Good. As you can see, we'll be using Rufus, the application. So we want to select the drive that we want to make bootable. You can see in this case, this one, 8 GB, and we want to select the OS. So you go to select, you go to PC. So as you can select, you go to PC, right, and we'll scroll right down. You see, scroll. You're gonna scroll it right down and select this drive. This is the drive that our operating system is in, but this is one we're making bootable. So we're going to click on this, open this. That's the Windows operating system. So we're gonna hit on select, and then we hit on open. Good. So we select, as you can see, Windows iOS right there. So you don't always forget to check this part to confirm if really that's the so it's gonna run a check. As you can see, I'm gonna run a checksum until 100% to make sure that's the operating system is good, it's not corrupt. So just give it a time to finish that process. Give time for it to finish. Once that process is complete, and we move to the next step. Guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't skip any, don't even forward the video. Make sure you watch it to the end to know how to do things like this, to create a bootable USB. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and don't forget to share the video to others. So it's almost there, 70%. Three. I'm gonna compute the image and check if there is any bug or any if the image is not. So you're gonna see a text. Good. All right. So you click OK. All right. So guys, before you start, there's one thing I want you to pay attention with this. We're not gonna start. The first thing, you want to change this GPT to MBR. MBR. So we're gonna boot from BIOS. As you can see, GPT to MBR, and then we're gonna select it. Start it now. A pop-up message will come up. So all data on this drive will be wiped off. Yes, click OK to proceed. As you can see, start it. Gonna delete. After delete it, clean it, partition. Good. So it's creating the file system now. As you can see. So it's copying the iOS files. So you just wait for this process to complete, and then you hit cancel, and there you go, you have a bootable flash drive. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you on my next video.